Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application and then scroll all the way down, there we go, to System and Update, and then select Reset Options, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. All of it. Now, if you want, you can obviously back up your device, and if you don't, just completely ignore this. And next we're going to select Erase All Data, and then do that once more, and this will obviously begin resetting your device, erasing all the data, and this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take, and yeah, once it's finished, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.